Hello everyone, so here's a quick overview of how to set up your XFINITY X1 TV box with other apps, for example with Pandora. So to get started you will need your XFINITY ID and password before attempting to set up. Access the web portal, xfinity.com profile, log in using your XFINITY ID and password. So this is how it looks like. So after signing in, 3 settings tab will be available. You'll have My Profile tab, and just in the bottom right here, if you scroll a bit in the bottom, you'll be able to connect Pandora. So just go there and connect Pandora, as you can see here. Enter login information associated, click sign in. So after that, you will see that your Pandora account is now connected to your profile. A confirmation message displays and the sign in button changes to a manage connection button. And your XFINITY ID has now been successfully connected and you can now use your app on your X1 TV box. So there you have it. Hope this was helpful.